the idea behind training teams of 15 to 19 Marines is to counter Iran's maritime forces, especially the Revolutionary Guard or Navy. So they're going to be 15 to 19 Marines on that has the potential of turning into something we certainly hope not. Yeah, it's fun this weekend. The Wall Street Journal writes about this. This weekend, Joe Biden had an unprecedented meeting at Camp David, bringing together some of our close Asian allies, and Japan and South Korea will be there, and part of establishing a whole U.S., Japan, South Korea versus China thing. They've never come together this way. Good. Glad it's happening. And in a landmark change that could be an enormous pain in the hind end unless it gets overturned, a group of young people in Montana won a landmark suit yesterday when a judge ruled that the state's failure to consider climate change that young people could say, we deserve a beautiful earth, therefore, you gotta tear down that oil refinery. And the judge says, yeah, okay. You've stolen my childhood, but you've given back my early adulthood. And the fact that it's in Montana... What's your empty word? Some of my words are like half full of... Blah, 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 blah. Oh, now you're just baiting me.
Watch, that should be okay.
Wide open, right-wingy Montana. They found a judge. So the ruling means that Montana, a major coal and gas producing state that gets 1/3 of its energy by burning coal, must consider climate change when deciding whether to approve or renew fossil fuel projects. The Montana Attorney General's office, which I believe is Jamie from Yellowstone. He's still the Attorney General, or is he the governor now? That's right, he became governor. Anyway, Yellowstone, I didn't watch Yellowstone. That's the Kevin Costner Montana vehicle. Yeah, soap opera with lots of cows and lots of killings. And set in modern times? Yeah. Okay. The, Kevin Costner good in that? The spin-off? Yeah. A little cartoonish, but that's kind of the feel of it. I like Kevin Costner. The Cowboys are very cowboyish. And the city slickers are completely city slickers. Good. I like my characters broad. I don't want to have to try to guess what you're all about. I want it to be very evident. So I'm going to picture Jamie Dutton, a weaselly, dishonest Jamie Dutton doing this, but the Montana Attorney General's office said the state would appeal, which would send the case to the state Supreme Court. Quote, this ruling is absurd, but not surprising from a judge who let the plaintiff's attorneys put on a week-long taxpayer-funded publicity stunt that was supposed to be a trial, said the spokeswoman. Montanans can't be blamed for changing the climate.
Americans,
and one more, and this one is not pleasant.
I mean, like that.
Former Mississippi law enforcement officers pleaded guilty to all state charges against them stemming from the torture and abuse of 2 black men earlier this year. They busted down the door, beat and tortured these fellas for 2 hours, then shot one of them in the face.
I need to get something
they're guilty of all sorts of federal and state charges. They pled guilty to everything. They have no defense. I'm a little surprised this one hasn't exploded more than it has. No, this is not a national story. How do you end up a cop who has the psychology where you could ever participate in that sort of thing? They call themselves the Goon Squad, and they're going to jail for a very, very long time. We're Armstrong and Getty, and this is the best weekend talk show in America. Grab our podcast. It's called Armstrong and Getty On Demand. Hey, BK, trivia.
You can win tickets to see comedian Tim Allen. Live into Hard Rock Live Sacramento. Tickets at livenation.com. The Tool Man returns. Everybody know what time it is?
Come on,
Now,
Richie.
from Home Improvement,
Stupid
Last Man
Rich.
Standing, Toy
Stupid
Story,
Rich guy.
Infinity and beyond.
and so much more. Enter now to win tickets to see Tim Allen at ksdk.com.